I'm proud to say that we are the first organization, real estate organization, in the country who has taken quality so seriously that we've got a Japanese quality expert who's looking into our quality of the product. We will be the first company in the country who will deliver quality better than the sample apartment and delivery before time, which nobody has till today done.
So, because we are from Japan, and Japan has tremendous value for the nature, and we are now using that a lot of natural features for our design, including waterfall and forest and a lot of the lakes. That this would have a lot of value to everyone. So we are really thrilled to unveil our new project today.
Design is something which is personally very close to my heart, and we spend the most amount of time before we launch. So we spend, what you saw is last 2 years of hard work, detailing. So at this stage we even have the upholstery or the paint or the stone samples in our office, which we're gonna start construction a few months from now.
A homeowner who's buying a home worth 2.5 crores is going to get a 250 crore club, the Cascade Club.